Hello guys, in this session we speak about Python file handling. There are several functions for creating, reading, updating, and deleting files in Python. Open function. For working with files, the function is open, then file name and mode. We have four different modes for opening a file. R for read, A for append, W for write, and X for create. Let's say we have a text file in our current directory. Its name is data. We use file equal open data.txt with the mode R. Read. To print the file, we use, for example, for each in file print each. This is for testing. We have write mode. For example, file equal open data.txt using W mode. File dot write. For example, let's write the write command allows us to write something. Let's close the file. File dot close. And we open the file again. File equal open data.txt. Let's print file dot read. The write command allows us to write something. Next, append mode. File equal open data.txt. File dot write. This will edit this sentence. Let's close the file and open the file again. File equal open data.txt. In R mode, print file dot read. The write command allows us to write something. This will edit this sentence. That's the end of this session. File handling in Python.